Today I'm going to show you how to add B-roll footage to your project in Riverside. Ladies and gentlemen, the B-roll footage feature on Riverside is amazing. What you need to do is jump into one of your projects, go to the right hand side, click on AI tools, come all the way down here. It says get creative. We have the animate clips, and then we have the auto generate B-roll. Go ahead and click on apply. It is as simple as that. Now give it a few seconds to generate some B-roll, figure out where exactly it's going to put these clips, and then you can review your video. Alright, you'll see the pop-up over here on the timeline. We have these random clips that we can click on and go ahead and edit as well if we'd like to. But ultimately, what it's done is it's added in these clips to show some B-roll footage throughout my video project. Now, if you're happy with that, you can go ahead, give it a thumbs up. If you're not, you can give it a thumbs down. And this will just contribute to improving this feature. If you're not entirely happy, you can remove it. You can apply it again, and then if you are happy with it, you can export your video by clicking on share on the top right hand side of the screen.